Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing well. Today we will study the topic of critical angle for different mediums. We know that when light enters from a denser medium to rare medium, it bends away and angle of refraction would be greater than angle of incidence in this case. Here in figure 9.5 you can see that light passes from a glass to air. Here glass is the denser medium while air is the rare medium, and when light passes the angle of refraction would be greater than the angle of incidence. If we will continuously increase the angle of incidence, then a stage or a point will come when the angle of refraction would become equal to the 90 degree. And at this point the refraction would be maximum. This angle, for which angle of refraction is 90 degree, it is known as critical angle, and this critical angle is different for the different medium. For example, for water it is 49 and for glass it is 42 degree, and critical angle is represented by capital C. You know that at critical angle light rays reflect, angle of refraction would be 90 degree, but if angle of incidence is even greater than the critical angle, then light rays will reflect in the same denser medium. It will not pass from the denser to rare medium, and this process is called total internal reflection. Total internal mean within the same medium. Here in diagram you can see that total internal reflection. Here angle of incidence and angle of refraction would be this one. At critical angle, angle of refraction would be 90 degree. If angle is greater than critical angle, then angle of refraction would be greater than 90 degree, so light would refract in the same medium, and this process is called total internal reflection, or within the same medium. Basically there are two conditions which must be fulfilled for the occurrence of this phenomena. The first one is the medium light must be passed from the denser one to the rare one medium, and angle of incidence must be always greater than the critical angle. For water it must be greater than 49 degree, and for glass it must be greater than the 42 degree. For turtle, and the underwater reflection is due to total internal reflection, and similarly when beam of light have angle greater than the critical angle, so it will be reflected at the surface of the water within the same medium.